Toyota Motor East Japan operates mainly in the Tohoku region and handles everything from planning to production of Toyota compact cars. Aiming to mass-produce happiness and make even better cars, we were searching for better ways to design factory layouts and logistics processes, but finding the right tool wasn't easy. During our search, we discovered Mitsubishi Electric's 3D simulation software, MELSOFT Gemini, and saw its potential. When we reached out to Mitsubishi Electric and Canadian, they came right away to show us the actual system. First, we decided to use the software in the logistics warehouse for parts supply. We were able to get things running smoothly. With thorough support from Mitsubishi Electric, we used Gemini's standard models to create 3D data of logistics warehouse processes. We were able to get a bird's-eye view of the entire flow, which wasn't possible with 2D drawings. Gemini makes it very easy to create 3D models of processes. The 3D visualization, including transport by lift and movement between zones, made it possible to see the entire logistics process. Before we struggled to understand the site from 2D drawings, since things were often different and we had to ask the original designers. We're now moving to the next step and working on improvements to the transport line in the bumper molding process. In the logistics warehouse, forklifts operate all day, and frequent congestion in forklift traffic can lead to work delays. So we're always exploring ways to reduce congestion. Because of daily production changes, checking on paper made it hard to pinpoint problems. But by introducing the Gemini simulation software, we were able to better visualize previously unrecognized issues at the site. Reducing the technical terms used in the software and having access to setup tools in Japanese would make Gemini even easier to use. Going forward, we hope our on-site teams will take the lead in using Gemini and propose their own improvements. Our first goal is to recreate the situation at each site in 3D and share any issues we find with the other sites. Using 3D tools for planning is already starting to become the norm. We hope these efforts take root and allow us to deliver even more attractive compact cars from Tohoku to the world, faster than ever.